The Blue Light Card offers exclusive discounts to emergency service workers, NHS staff, social workers, and armed forces. To use your Blue Light Card in ASDA and enjoy discounts, follow these steps. Verify your Blue Light Card. First, ensure your Blue Light Card is active and valid. If you haven't already, download the Blue Light Card app and verify your account by following the necessary steps. Check for in-store discounts. Visit an ASD store or check the Blue Light Card app to confirm if there are any current discounts available at ASDA. Discounts can vary, so always double-check the terms in the app or website. Shop at ASDA. When shopping in store, head to the checkout with your selected items. For online orders, add the items to your ASDA online basket. Present your Blue Light Card. At the checkout, inform the cashier that you have a Blue Light Card to receive your discount. Show your physical card or your digital card on the Blue Light Card app. For online orders, enter the discount code provided in the app. Enjoy your discount. After verification, your discount will be applied to your total and you will pay the reduced amount.